This is the answer video for Light Rock Impossible Trivia. Eddie Davis here from the Light Rock Morning Show. I appreciate you clicking in to find out the answer. If you subscribe to Light Rock's YouTube channel, you'll always know the answer to Impossible Trivia and more. All kinds of cool stuff. Just click on subscribe. The link is just below. This was the holdover question about what it is that annoys people who are sensitive to sound more than any other sound. It took us 2 days and a substantial hint yesterday for us to finally come up with the sound that annoys people who are ultra sensitive to sound more than any others. And that answer is, ta-da! Not the sound of soup necessarily, but the sound that people make when they're eating soup. And let me demonstrate if I don't cut my finger off while I'm trying to open this can while doing this. You see the soup going into the bowl there? Doesn't that look tasty? The sound that really drives these people crazy is the sound of people slurping their soup. They're slurping their soup, and it's making these other people annoyed. It's actually making me a little sick to my stomach. It's so annoying. That and the fact that I'm eating cold tomato soup with no milk or anything else. I'm going to have to go. Thanks for listening. Talk to you next time.